How to fix pull up for precise seeking problem on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix the pull up precise seeking problem on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the YouTube application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. And then scroll down and under video and audio preferences, tap on accessibility. Once under accessibility, you have to turn on the accessibility player toggle. Now, to set controls to hide automatically, under hide player controls, tap on it. And then choose a short interval that is after 3 seconds, which will prevent controls from lingering, reducing interferences from the precise seeking feature. This change allows normal scrubbing behavior without triggering precise seeking. So this is the way to fix pull up for precise seeking problem on YouTube, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.